everyone. Hello. See you on morning, everybody. I think my voice is clear to you and I'm clearly visible. See you on morning. How are you all? I hope you all are very fine. I'm on the top of the world. And today I'm super excited to bring something very innovative, something very beautiful right in front of you after a few several months studies on the most the problem in today's lifestyle is hair fall. So I have brought something very innovative today right in front of you, which is it is a matter of concern in today's life that hair fall is a major problem, right? Okay. When you talk about hair fall, we have seen that earlier at the age of 40s or 50s we used to see major hair fall and all that, but now at the age of onset of hair fall, 20s and 30s youngsters, girls and boys are having a huge problem of hair fall. It is maybe due to because of a busy lifestyle. People are not getting enough time to maintain their hair and maintain a quality of time to give to your hair, and that is a major problem these days what we are facing. Overall, nutrition also takes a major part, because I think not taking a proper nutrition or today's lifestyle with the junk food, and there are so many other problems what we can see. Even there are major other problems like PCOD or PCOS or hormonal disbalance, or it may be sometimes for genetics and hereditary. आजकल हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि पहले जब देखा गया तो देखते थे कि 40s एंड 50s इयर्स की जो जनरेशन थी उनका हेयर फॉल का प्रॉब्लम बहुत ज्यादा हो जाता था, लेकिन आजकल अगर हम देखते हैं तो 20s एंड 30s के यंग जनरेशन्स को, चाहे गर्ल्स हो या बॉयज हो, hair fall is a major problem and it is actually a matter of concern. And hair fall is something which is definitely a matter of concern, but it is sometimes ignored because of lack of timing, because of our busy lifestyle, because of lack of nutrition. जो हम लोग न्यूट्रिशन खाते हैं, हो सकता है वो प्रॉपर न्यूट्रिशन नहीं चाहता हो अपने बॉडी में. Other than that, what we have seen is PCOD, PCOS, hormonal disbalance also playing a major role. Even genetics, even hereditary problem आजकल ज्यादा देखने को मिलती है कि हेरिडिटरी प्रॉब्लम की वजह से या जेनेटिक्स की प्रॉब्लम की वजह से, या तो लेडीज में राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, दिस इज समथिंग विच कैटर्स टुडेज अ मेजर प्रॉब्लम, अ सीरियस प्रॉब्लम and ignored problem, a problem of hair fall. Hair fall, what we have seen, is a major concern in today's generation and in today's age. What we used to see, हम लोग क्या देखते थे पहले? We used to see कि at the age of 40s or 50s hair fall की problem ज्यादा हुआ करती थी. But now what we have seen is at the age of 20s and 30s, यानी कि young generation, बॉयज हो या गर्ल्स हो, सभी के लिए हेयर फॉल इज रियली अ मैटर ऑफ कंसर्न. हेयर फॉल इज रियली अ प्रॉब्लम. मे बी इट इज ड्यू टू मेनी सेवरल रीजंस बिहाइंड इट. आजकल की जो लाइफस्टाइल हम लोग देखते हैं, वी आर सो बिजी, इवन यंग जनरेशंस, एवरीबडी इज सो बिजी इन देयर लाइफ टू रूइन देयर लाइफ कि वी आर नॉट गेटिंग अ प्रॉपर टाइम टू टेक केयर ऑफ अवर हेल्थ, and that is what has been neglected. Another reason what we have seen is lack of nutrition. Today we see a food habit which is not it is not as good as it used to be before. So lifestyle, nutritious food, and several other reasons like in ladies what we can see is PCOD, PCOS, hormonal disbalance, even it is due to genetics, even it is due to hereditary. So it is a combination of major problems what we face in our day to day life. हमारी रोज की जिंदगी में हम अगर देखते हैं तो हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है, या तो वी आर अनेबल टू मेंटेन अवर हेल्थ, स्पेशली हेल्थ तो फिर भी हम लोग ड्यू टू पैंडेमिक टाइम पीपल हैव अंडरस्टूड द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ हेल्थ, बट समवेयर और द अदर वी फाइंड दैट somehow our hair care is ignored, right? So we at Sion, after so many researches and so many studies and keeping all this in mind, we always have innovative products in Sion, like we cater healthcare products, personal care products, oral care products, agri-care products, and more on that. In today's lifestyle, what we see and we really found that hair care is a really major concern. Hair fall, not growing a proper hair, graying of hair before certain age, like before it has to be matured, and we are facing so much of problem on hair care. Seeing all this problem and keeping all this problem in mind, Sion is always it always caters a very good quality of product and a very innovative product. Right at the moment we have health care, we have oral care, we have skin care, we have agri care, and Sion is always giving the best of the quality product and very innovative product to all its family and all the customers and all the people around them. Here, keeping all this factor in mind, today we have brought something very innovative, which is not only innovative, but it will make your hair care routine so simpler that you will be able to manage your hair and you will be happy to maintain your hair as you wish. We have something, what I am going to show you is a new innovative product. What Sion has brought in front of you is TREScience. This is the product what Sion has launched after many researches, after a working hard of several months. So hard work actually and finally paid, as our hard work for this product is maybe several months, I don't know how many months, but finally we have come up with a very innovative product, and that is TREScience. Brand name is a TREScience, and it is serum, hair serum and hair shampoo. Hair serum and hair shampoo, it will actually help you to maintain your stronger, healthier, longer, shiny and thicker hair which everybody wish to have, right? Let me talk something about on this product. This is the product where the most important and a very innovative ingredient what we have used here is Annagain and apple stem cell. Sion always believes in innovation, as I said before, and all the product what Sion has a wonderful quality, and it is actually each and every product I would say has got a testimony, and that is how we have brought this product. ऐसे ही हम लोग ये प्रोडक्ट लेके आए हैं जो अपने आप में एक इनोवेशन है, जिसमें ये प्रोडक्ट जो हेयर सेरम और हेयर शैम्पू, हमने इसमें प्रोडक्ट के इंग्रेडिएंट जो मेन इंग्रेडिएंट है दैट इज अन्नागेन एंड एप्पल स्टेम सेल. अब ये दो इंग्रेडिएंट्स क्या है उसके बारे में मैं आगे चल के डेफिनेटली आपसे बात करूंगी, लेकिन लेट मी टेल यू एंड आई थिंक आई वांट यू टू अंडरस्टैंड समथिंग दैट hair fall is a major problem, and TREScience has all that ingredient which really has a very high nutritious value, that is Anagain and apple stem cell. Other than that, we have also have many good ingredients in this product which will not only nourish your hair but will also help you to regrow your hair, which will help the longevity of hair and prolongs the hair life cycle, right? So this is very innovative, and around all this, one very important thing to keep in mind is that when hair care is concerned, we have to understand that whatever we put in our scalp and whatever we put in our hair, it has to be a very, very quality product, and it has to be a very, very filled and enriched with a very beautiful ingredient. And Sion is always famous for their unique quality and a wonderful best quality products, and that is why it is because ये जो प्रोडक्ट है हम हेयर पे जो भी यूज करते हैं, इट डायरेक्टली पेनिट्रेट्स इन आवर स्कैल्प. सो हम लोग को बहुत केयरफुल रहना चाहिए कि हम हेयर पे क्या इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं और हम हेयर पे क्या डाल रहे हैं. सो कीपिंग ऑल दिस फैक्टर इन माइंड, सियोन जो ट्रेस साइंस लाया है, लेट मी टेल यू, वी ऑल बिलीव दैट एनी साइंस हैज अ सॉल्यूशन, right? Science has a solution, and so Anagain and apple stem cell जिसकी एक यूनिक क्वालिटी है और इसी यूनिक क्वालिटी के साथ ये जो फॉर्मुलेशन बनाया है, इट इज वेरी इनोवेटिव इन इट्स ओन काइंड. नाउ it is very important to understand another fact that when we concern about a quality of hair or growth of hair or hair fall, it is very necessary to understand that everyday regime is really very helpful to make your hair healthier, longer, stronger, shinier, etc. How? Tress Science, we always believe in innovation, and so Tress Science has something innovative, and we have a collaboration with the Swiss technology on Anagain and apple stem cell, which has a lots of research, lots of proven results, lots of studies behind this two ingredients, main ingredients, Anagain and apple stem cell, जो हमारे बालों की लॉन्जेविटी बढ़ाने के लिए, थिकनेस बढ़ाने के लिए, रीग्रोथ के लिए बहुत बहुत हेल्पफुल है. And that is why Tress Science is the easy solution for anybody to maintain health for a longer period of time. These two products which are very innovative in its nature, and it is very easy to use in everyday day-to-day life. Let me share you something on our unique product Tress Science serum and shampoo, how it is to be used. Like when we talk about serum is a water based. जो Tress Science serum है, this is a water based serum. इनको आप overnight स्कल्प में लगा के, just put some of the take a coin size serum, you can apply it on your scalp, you can massage it, leave it for overnight. आप पूरी रात के लिए इसको रख सकते हो. Though it is a water based, so it is not sticky at all, and next day maybe you can shampoo your hair with Tress Science shampoo. Even if you don't shampoo your hair next day, it is okay because your hair is going to be non-sticky, right? So these are the innovative product in association, in collaboration with the Swiss technology. We have brought this innovative product in front of you. I am sure this will help, and this will many solution will be there while using this Tress Science shampoo and serum. And how to apply that I have already told you. Shampoo एवरीडे बेसिस यू कैन यूज. अब शैम्पू इज सो माइल्ड, शैम्पू इतना माइल्ड है कि आप इसको एवरीडे बेसिस पे भी यूज कर सकते हैं. एंड सेरम इज ऑल्सो वेरी माइल्ड टू यूज, दैट यू कैन यूज इट ऑन एवरीडे, डे टू डे बेसिस. For better result, I recommend to use it twice a day. And everyday usage is also fantastic and it will bring you a fantastic result. Now, another fact, what we have to understand regarding our hair growth and our hair life cycle. It is very important to understand that what studies अन्ना गेन और एप्पल स्टेम सेल की जो स्टडीज और जो रिसर्च हमने किए हैं और उससे जो पता चला है, एंड यू नो वी हैव ऑलरेडी ट्राइड दिस प्रोडक्ट. दिस टू इंग्रेडिएंट्स आर सो पावरफुल एंड सो इनोवेटिव कि आप अगर इसको एवरीडे अपने स्कल्प में लगा के यू नो फॉर योर हेयर, बेटर हेयर, द स्टडीज हैज शोन कि हेयर फॉल may immediately stop, maybe in the span of 8 to 10 days depending on person to person's scalp, but maximum it may take 15 days to you know get rid of your hair fall problem. Hair fall को control करने के लिए 8 से 10 दिन, या तो फिर depend करता है person to person, it may take 15 days to stop your hair fall, but the regrowth cycle is little lengthier. Regrowth की हमारी हेयर की जो साइकिल है वो थोड़ी सी लेंथियर होती है. जब रीग्रोथ में ये यू नो प्रोग्रामिंग चलता है हेयर का, स्कल्प का, it takes maximum 86 days to have a new hair growth. So maybe over a period of time, once you are using this product, you may see that after maybe a span of 2.5 months to 3 months, your hair is actually looking very thicker, very denser and very, very healthier. So that is very important to understand the cycle of regrowth. Regrowth की cycle को understand करना, समझना बहुत जरूरी है कि हम जब ये इनोवेटिव प्रोडक्ट यूज करेंगे, द स्टडी सेज एंड वी हैव ऑलरेडी हैड अ ट्रायल जो ये कहता है कि आपका हेयर फॉल का जो प्रॉब्लम है वो 8 से 10 दिन में या 15 दिन में काफी हद तक कम हो जाएगा या कंट्रोल हो जाएगा, या आई थिंक बंद भी हो सकता है डिपेंडिंग ऑन पर्सन टू पर्सन. बट जो नया रीग्रोथ का साइकिल है, हेयर का रीग्रोथ का जो नया एक साइकिल होता है, it takes 86 days to regrowth. और विजिबली डिफरेंस देखने के लिए आई थिंक कंटिन्यूअसली यूजिंग ट्रेसाइंस शैम्पू एंड सीरम फॉर maybe 86 days will give you a wonderful result. Believe me, trust me, and we have to trust this technology. We have to trust this ingredient where you know you will be able to see the result. Right? So this is what a very innovative product in front of you. I am super excited to share this innovative product, and for more details all Sion customers or can contact their Sion distributors, and whoever who are watching me live, who are very new to us, who are very new to Sion, they can contact. If you know any of Sion distributors, you will be able to get this innovative product, and otherwise you can follow our website, that is www.sion.co.in, or else you can put your queries on Facebook messages or Instagram messages. You can even follow us on Instagram and Facebook on the page of Sion. In Instagram it is Sion__ officials, and in Facebook it is Sion New to India Private Limited. So hurry, I think our search ends here for hair fall. There are so many new innovative products which we are coming up very soon with huge innovation, and Sion has a best quality product, and it is proven, it is shown through our testimonies in our all pages. So thank you so much for being live with me. I appreciate, and stay tuned to have more and more innovative product with us. Thank you so much.